Is he going to shut up? He's been snoring like this for hours. I don't know if I can take any more of this. Oh! What? You scared the crap out of me! You're snoring so freaking loud! Why are you snoring so dang loud? Ugh, baby, suck it up. My sister snores louder than I do. Your sister's asleep right now and I don't hear anything. Whatever, I'm going back to bed. And you should too. Time to wake him up and smell the dang roses. Well, he needs to smell the dang roses, not me. Anyway. Really? He sleeps through me tipping him over, but he can't sleep for dang yelling? Wake up! No! No! What do you want? Ugh, you're snoring. It was actually scaring me this time. Why can't you just deal with it? It's hard to sleep in a girly bed. Who cares if it's girly or not? Just go to sleep without snoring. Fine, I'll admit that I've been a little noisy. A little? More like a lottle. Whatever. I'm just gonna go to try. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry, I stuttered. Oh yeah, I forgot. Anyways, I'm going to try and go to sleep without snoring. Alright. Good night. Bye, Philip. Guess I'm walking home.